morning, my little ones. Welcome back in the second session of SL words. Sound of SL, sl. Today, we shall revise the SL words, practice writing, and also do a short activity related to it. So let's start. SL words. Sl, e, p. Sleep is to take rest with your closed eyes. Next, sl, I, d. Slide. Slide is to move or make something move slowly downwards. Slice. Sl, I, s. Slide. It's a flat piece of food cut from a larger portion. Slope. Slope. Slope is a surface or a piece of land wherein one side is higher than the other. Slant. Slant is an angle which is neither sleeping nor standing. It is slant. So kids, we've revised SL words. Now, I hope you all have practiced writing SL words at home. Let's revise it once again with the formations. So we'll start with today's date. Before that, I hope you all are ready with 4 columns. So today's date is 4.8.20. Now the heading on the red margin line itself, leave 2 fingers space. S, L, 1 finger space. Words, W, O, R, D, S. SL words. The sound of SL, sl. First word, sleep. Keep your pencils on the first blue line. Make a C curve. Take a turn. Go down, touching the second blue line, S. Red line to second blue line, straight line, L. Keep your pencils middle of the 2 blue line. Go up. Come down, touching the second blue line, E. Again. Go up. Come down, touching the second blue line, E. From the first blue line till the red line. Again go up to the first blue line, take a turn, make a curve, touching the second blue line. P. S, L, E, E, P. Sl, E, P. Sleep. Slide. Keep your pencils on the first blue line, make a C curve, reverse C curve, S. From the red line to the blue line, straight line, L. From the blue line to blue line, straight line and a dot, I. Red line to the second blue line. Go up to first blue line and a curve, D. Keep your pencils in the middle of the 2 blue lines. Go up, take a curve, E. That is slide. S-L-I-D-E. Sl, I, D. Slide. Slice. Keep your pencils on the first blue line. Make a C curve. Take a reverse turn, touching the second blue line, S. Red line to the second blue line, straight line, L. First blue line to the second blue line, straight line and a dot, I. From the first blue line, make a C curve, touching the second blue line. And keeping the pencil middle of the 2 blue lines, go up and come down, touching the second blue line, E. Sl, I, S. Slice. S, L, I, C, E. Next, slope. Keep your pencils on the first blue line, make a C curve, take a reverse C curve, second blue line, S. From red line to the second blue line, straight line, L. From the first blue line, make a C curve, go up again, a curve O. From the first blue line, make a straight line touching the red line, go up and turn P. Keep your pencil in the middle of the two blue lines, go up and turn E. Slope. S-L-O-P-E. Slope. Slope. Next, slant. Touching the first blue line, C curve, take a reverse turn. Touching the second blue line, S. Red line to the second blue line, straight line, L. From the first blue line, touching the second blue line, C curve, go up, come down, straight line, touching the second blue line, A. From the first blue line, straight line, touching the second blue line, go up, take a turn, come down, N. And little bit down from the red blue line, make a straight line, a turn, and a sleeping line, T. Slant. Slant. Let's revise the words. Sleep. Sleep. Sleep is to take rest with your closed eyes. Next, slide. 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 Slide is to move or make something move slowly downwards. Slice. It's a flat piece of food cut from a larger portion. So, slice. Next, slope. Slope. Slope is a surface or a piece of land where one side is higher than the other. Next, slant. 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 Slant is an angle which is neither sleeping nor standing. So, slant. Slant. So, do revise these words and write them in these 3 columns. Activity time. In this activity, we will be matching these different images with the words given here. The first image is of a boy and the boy is sleeping. So our first word is sleep. Let's find out the word sleep. Sleep. We've got it. Let's place it. Sleep. In the next image, the girl is sliding. So our word is slide. Let's find out. Slide. Slide. Yes. So we shall place it. Third, a slice of watermelon. Our word is slice. So let's find out. Slice. Slice. Yes. So we shall keep it here. The image is of a car on the slope. So our word is slope. 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 We shall place here. The last image, slanting arrows. So our word is slant. 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 We shall place it over here. Now we have completed our matching. So let's revise once again. First word, sleep. Sleep. Next, slide. Slide. Slice. Slice. Slope. Slope. Slant. Slant. So kids, I hope you enjoyed the activity. Do practice writing the SL words at home. Take care. Bye-bye.